with that final phase that is now beginning, the voting that has started. 57 constituencies, some of them are very crucial in this high-stake battle among 8 states and union territories. So that's the big news. It has begun, the final phase. We are heading to the finishing line of Lok Sabha elections. What a high-stake, hectic campaign this has been, and at the peak of summer season, for which many had even complained. But now it's coming to an end. Election campaigning already got over, and the final day for the final chance for the voter to then cast on the ballot and decide the future of this country and the future for them as well. 13 Uttar Pradesh, Punjab seats are in the phrase, a very important phase, remember, for the Aam Aadmi Party, for the BJP, for the Akali Dal, for the Congress Party. High octane phase 7, big netas in the fray. So remember the focus, meanwhile, while of course will be the Kashi Karma Bhumi for Prime Minister Modi, where Congress Party's Ajay Rai again challenging him this time. But apart from that, look at that, Punjab. Punjab is going to be a big important focus because Aam Aadmi Party, the ruling party in the state, will want to show that they have some clout and some stronghold to become the members of parliament as well. Rajya Sabha MP of AAP, Raghav Chadha has cast his vote. Let's listen in.
आज दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र यानी कि भारत देश का महापर्व है। आज आम चुनावों यानी कि लोकसभा 2024 चुनाव का आखिरी वोटिंग फेज है। आज भारतवासियों द्वारा दिया गया एक एक वोट ये तय करेगा कि इस देश की दिशा और दशा क्या होगी। लोगों के लिए बने स्कूल, अस्पताल, स्कूली शिक्षा, दवाई इलाज कैसा होगा और हमारे देश का लोकतंत्र कितना मजबूत होगा, ये आज वोट की ताकत से देश की जनता तय करेगी। ये वोट देने का अधिकार बहुत लंबे संघर्ष के बाद हम सब भारतवासियों को दिया गया। मैं आज हाथ जोड़कर विनती करना चाहूंगा, प्लीज एक्सरसाइज योर राइट टू वोट। गर्मी बहुत है, छुट्टी का भी दिन है, लेकिन आज अगर हम वोट देने से चूक गए तो 5 साल तक फिर ये वोट देने का मौका नहीं आएगा, अपनी सरकार चुनने का मौका नहीं आएगा।
So that's Raghav Chadha casting his vote and appealing for all to come out, while JP Nadda also seeking God's blessing